Welcome to this presentation on breaking rigidity in adversarial patch attacks. This research was conducted by Vishesh Kumar et al. And published in recently. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. We live in an age where artificial intelligence, from the smart assistants in our pockets to the complex systems guiding self driving cars, is becoming deeply integrated into every aspect of our lives. But what if these powerful AI systems could be easily tricked by something as simple as a sticker? Did you know that a tiny, specially designed sticker, sometimes no bigger than a postage stamp, can trick an advanced AI system into misidentifying a stop sign as a speed limit sign, potentially causing real world dangers? This alarming reality is at the heart of our research. While current adversarial patches, those malicious stickers designed to fool AI, often rely on fixed, predictable shapes, our work reveals a critical blind spot. These fixed shapes give us a false sense of security. We need to understand how AI reacts to more sophisticated, adaptable attacks to truly make it safe and reliable. Imagine a master disguise artist. They don't just put on a rectangular mask, they mold and shape their disguise to perfectly blend in with their surroundings, making it incredibly hard to spot. This is the core idea behind our methodology. Instead of creating rigid, fixed shape adversarial patches, we developed a novel algorithm to generate smooth, deformable patches. Think of it like a sculptor molding clay into an organic, flowing shape rather than just cutting a block of wood. Our process involves two main stages. First, we use an evolutionary algorithm, a bit like natural selection, to grow the most effective, smooth, and irregular patch shapes. This allows the patch to adapt its boundary, not just its internal pattern. Second, once we have the optimal shape, we then fine tune the colors and textures within that shape using advanced optimization techniques. Crucially, we ensure these patches remain effective even when rotated, scaled, or moved, mimicking real world conditions. This two step approach allows us to create universal patches that are far more stealthy and effective than anything seen before. Our research achieved a significant big win. We demonstrated that our new deformable patches are incredibly effective at fooling state of the art AI models, and critically, they are much harder for existing defense systems to detect. We tested our Smoothie patch against a wide range of advanced AI, including image classification models and even vision language models, which combine visual and text understanding. The results were striking. Our patches drastically reduced the accuracy of these models, achieving attack success rates as high as 62% on some systems, far outperforming previous fixed shape or even other deformable patches. This isn't just a digital threat. We printed our patches and applied them to real world objects like oranges and knives, and they still successfully fooled AI systems. Perhaps most concerning, AI detection systems, including advanced ones like LRVANEXT and SAM3, struggle significantly to identify our deformable patches, detecting them far less often than traditional fixed shape ones. This vulnerability even extended beyond simple classification, impacting object detection systems like YOLO, proving our patches pose a broad and serious threat. So, how does this fit into the world today? As AI becomes increasingly integrated into critical applications like self driving cars, medical diagnostics, and security surveillance, understanding its vulnerabilities is paramount. Our research exposes a significant gap in current AI security. Existing defenses are largely biased towards detecting simple fixed shape threats. This creates a false sense of robustness. By demonstrating that AI can be fooled by sophisticated, shape shifting patches, we're not just creating better attacks, we're shining a light on the blind spots that need to be addressed. This isn't about making AI less safe, but quite the opposite. It's about providing the crucial insights needed to build the next generation of AI systems that are truly resilient. Think of it as finding a new, more sophisticated type of virus, which then helps us develop a more effective vaccine. Our findings provide a strong foundation for developing universal adversarial patch detectors and more robust AI models that can withstand these advanced, adaptive forms of deception. Looking ahead, how will this research change your daily life in the next 5 years? Our work will directly lead to AI systems that are much harder to trick, making the AI you interact with every day significantly more trustworthy. Imagine self-driving cars that can't be fooled by a cleverly designed sticker on a stop sign, ensuring your commute is safer. Consider medical diagnostic AI that is less prone to misinterpretations from subtle adversarial patterns, leading to more accurate diagnoses and better healthcare outcomes for you and your loved ones. The AI protecting your online data or identifying fraudulent activity will be more resilient to sophisticated visual attacks, enhancing your digital security. Ultimately, this research provides the essential blueprint for training AI to recognize and ignore these advanced, shape shifting visual deceptions. This means the AI we interact with daily, from our phones to our cars to our healthcare, will be more trustworthy, more reliable, and less susceptible to malicious interference, creating a safer and more secure future for everyone.